Welcome back to Auto Review. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse of a machine, the 2025 Farm Tractor 9630. This beast is built for performance, efficiency, and durability, making it a top choice for serious farmers and agricultural professionals. Let's take a detailed look at its exterior, performance, and pricing to see if it's worth the investment. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Farm Tractor 9630 has a rugged and commanding presence. The bold front grille is designed for maximum airflow to keep the engine cool even under heavy loads. LED headlights and auxiliary work lights provide excellent visibility for nighttime operations. The large, all-terrain tires ensure superior traction, whether you're working in muddy fields or dry soil. The reinforced steel frame and heavy-duty fenders give it a robust look while also providing protection against harsh conditions. The enclosed cabin is spacious, featuring tinted windows and an advanced suspension system to reduce operator fatigue during long hours in the field. Under the hood, the 9630 is powered by a massive 15.0L turbocharged diesel engine, delivering an impressive 600 horsepower and 2,100 Newton-meters of torque. This powerhouse allows it to handle the toughest farming tasks, from deep plowing to heavy hauling. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures optimal grip and stability, even on uneven terrain. The upgraded hydraulic system provides precise control over attachments, making it highly versatile for a range of farming applications. It also features an advanced fuel management system that maximizes efficiency, allowing farmers to cover more ground on a single tank. The smooth shifting automatic transmission ensures seamless power delivery, making it easier to operate even for those new to high-performance tractors. Inside the cabin, comfort and technology go hand in hand. The ergonomic seating is designed for all-day comfort, with heating and cooling functions to adapt to any weather. The digital dashboard provides real-time data on engine performance, fuel consumption, and operational diagnostics. The tractor is also equipped with a GPS-guided auto-steering system, reducing operator workload and improving precision during planting and harvesting. Additional smart features like remote diagnostics and over-the-air software updates ensure that the 9630 stays up to date with the latest improvements. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Farm Tractor 9630 starts at around $450,000 for the base model. However, with optional upgrades like a premium cabin package, advanced hydraulic systems, and precision farming technology, the price can go up to $550,000 or more. While it's a significant investment, its durability, efficiency, and advanced features make it a cost-effective choice for large-scale farming operations. Many financing options and subsidies may be available for those looking to make the purchase more affordable. Overall, the 2025 Farm Tractor 9630 is a true workhorse, combining raw power, cutting-edge technology, and operator comfort. It's built to handle the toughest farming challenges with ease, making it a top contender in its class. If you're in the market for a high-performance tractor, this one should definitely be on your list. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Review for more in-depth vehicle reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 9630 or which vehicle you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.